Hello friends, from today's lecture we are going to discuss on object oriented programming in the Groovy. So there are five types of OOPS concept in the Groovy. First one is class and object, second one is encapsulation, third one is inheritance, and fourth one is polymorphism, and last is abstraction. Then what is OOPS concept? Object oriented programming help us organize code around real world entities. Then what is a class? Class is like a blueprint and an object is the actual thing created from it. Then what is encapsulation? Encapsulation means keeps our data safe by hiding it inside the class. Then what is inheritance? Inheritance allows us to reuse code from parent classes. Then what is polymorphism? Polymorphism gives flexibility by allowing the same method to behave differently. And abstraction hides complexity, showing only what's necessary. So let's see theoretical part of this class and object. A class is like a blueprint or design. It defines what properties and method an object will have. An object is the actual thing created from the blueprint. Example, in the student class, name and roll name are properties. When we created S1 is equal to new student in bracket dot 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 bracket complete, that's an object with real values. So why we use that class and object? Classes and object help us represent real world entities like student, cars, employee in code, making programs easier to understand and manage. We will see the example of the each OOPS concept in our next lecture. Now, in this lecture, we are going to discuss only on the theoretical part of this OOPS concept. So, second one is encapsulation. Encapsulation means binding data and method together inside a class and restricting direct access to the data. So, in Groovy, we use private to hide variables and provide getter or setter method to control the access. Example, in bank account, the balance is a private. Student can't directly change it. They must use deposit or get balance. So why we use this encapsulation? Encapsulation ensures data safety. It prevents misuse of the sensitive information and gives controlled access. Then inheritance. Inheritance allows one class, that is child, to reuse the properties and method of another class, that is parent. So in Groovy, we use extend keyword. Example, car extend vehicle means car inherits the start method from the vehicle. So why we use inheritance is inheritance avoid code duplication instead of writing the same logic again. The child class can reuse and extend the parent functionality. So fourth one is polymorphism. Polymorphism means many forms. The same method name can behave directly depending on the context. There are two types, overloading and overriding. So child class redefines parents method. Example, in dog extend animals, the sound bracket method is over override animal makes a generic sound, dog barks. So why we use polymorphism is polymorphism makes a code flexible. It allows one interface to be used for a different type of actions. And last one is abstraction. Abstraction means hiding implementation details and showing only the essential features. In Groovy, we use abstract classes or in our interfaces. Example, abstract class shapes define area but don't explain how circle provides the actual formula. So we use this abstraction for reduce complexity and student only see what's necessary, not the internal details. So in this way we have see in this way we have studied the theoretical part of the each up concept in the Groovy. In next lecture we are going to see the example of the each oops concept. So stay tuned. Thank you.